Are you an introvert seeking a fulfilling career that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further, we have compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into promos.com, then fairfiction.com, then surveytime.io and metroopinion.com. Then we have appen.com. So first one we have promos. As you can see, earn we have here in the middle of the homepage, earn money, make an impact, share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. So we have here also to select language you want. You have here our first language, you can select the one you want, English. Then we have here blogs, and we have also help center, contact support, and join the community. So if scrolling down, we have here how it works. First, you have to create an account, download our app on iOS or Android for free, and create an account using your email address to join the Promos contributor community. Then explore our task, browse our task marketplace, and select the activities of your choice to complete within minute. Then we have here get paid. Choose the option to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin, depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is it how it works in promos. Then we have here Fairfiction. You have other things like our services, customer knowledge, and other things. We have also our UX methods. We have remote user focus group, quantitative survey about customer. We have customer story. So you can see. Then we have here resources, resource guide, how to choose your UX method, and about us. Then log in if you want to find your account. First things, we have a UX research consultant for your research and user testing anywhere in the world. And then we have other information like your UX research in a few days, qualitative or quantitative study with support according to your needs. First we have write, rewrite, conduct study, and recommend. And we have other things like user experience, benchmark studies, e-commerce, user testing, and UX design. Talent outlets. Then here we have the latest white papers. So also we have here our full demo in video. So all I have to do is go directly to YouTube and watch this video to more understand. So here we have other things like go directly to platform overview, user feedback, analytics, and final recommendations. Here we have research and testing methodologies. First, we have individual interview, focus group, quantitative survey, and remote user test. So this is it for predictions. And we have also survey time, surveytime.io. Get instantly rewarded for every survey you complete. To sign up, all you have to do is write your email here and your password. You can also use Facebook or Google to sign up. Here we have how does survey time work. But first of all, you have to sign up for survey time for free, then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, and finally start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. Here we have benefits of survey time. First, you have a low withdrawal threshold, surveys for you, never miss a new survey, bonus rebate amount, then choose your rewards. Finally, survey time is global. So survey time where you take in free paid surveys and earn money for each one you successfully complete. So this is it for survey time. Also, the fourth one we have Metro Opinion. As you can see, this is the homepage. We have also blog, choose country. If you want to choose the country, all I have to do is click over choose country. You choose your country. You have Europe. As you can see, we have Oceania, Africa, also Asia, America. We have North America and South of America. Then here we have other information like paid survey, earn money online or from home, get up to $5 for each survey, safe and easy payment. Then you choose your country as we did before. Then here we have how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. First we have sign up, then answer, and finally get paid. So it's easy to earn money in Metro Opinion, and here we have other information like earn money online. It's easy with Metro Opinion. As you can see, we have here payment, first PayPal, Vachi donations, Then, if we scroll down, we have other information like work from home by doing surveys, and also other questions like how much can you earn by working from home, and with his answers. All you have to do is read it to more understand and know other information about mutual opinion and start earning money with it. So, if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over here and get started. It only takes 30 seconds, so it's easy to sign up and get started. How to earn money on surveys? It's easy to join mutual opinion and start to earn money on surveys. You can join for free and our service remains free. Here we have other things. First of all, we have site or online part-time job, easy job for students to earn money, and finally we have additional income for the elderly. Here we have the best paid surveys also, and finally we have countries here. So this is for mutual opinion. Let's get we have other thing or other one, sorry, we have Appen. As you can see, let's do is type into appen.com. We have here other information about Appen, make data your differentiator, and we have other things here: optimize our limits, AI data, foundation models, platforms and resources, and here we have search. And if you want to sign up, you have to get started and click over here. Then we have here other information like Appen improves model performance through human AI collaboration. Also, we have here Appen supports the AI lifecycle. First, we have create the right data, prepare usable training data, develop and deploy your models, and finally evaluate model performance. So why we choose Appen? First, it's expertise, scale, quality, flexibility, innovation. Then if we scroll down, we have other information like high quality data at scale. Discover how Appen accelerates the development of your AI application. So this is for Appen, and embracing work from home opportunities can be a game changer, especially for introverts seeking a peaceful, independent work environment. By exploring careers in freelance writing, graphic design, software development, virtual assistant, and online tutoring, you can unlock your earning potential without sacrificing your comfort. So these jobs not only offer flexibility and independence but also provide excellent financial rewards. Take the first step towards a fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for the better. So all you have to do is start right now, don't wait, and earn money with these five top home, promotes perfection, survey time, major opinion, and open. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.